Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a chicken breast in the air fryer oven. So let's get roasting. I have a package of split chicken breasts with ribs here. There was 2 in this package. I cooked one for dinner last night to try this out. These were $2.69 a pound. They were 2.74 pounds, so $7.37 for these, which isn't too bad for chicken these days. Hard to find any meat less than like $5 a pound lately, it seems like. So anyway, I'm going to season these up with Kinder's Taco Blend seasoning. I like this on chicken. Been using this on chicken quite a bit. And it's not real salty, so I'm going to add a little kosher salt as well. Okay, I'll flip it over and do the other side. Now I'm going to take this oven meat thermometer and stick it right kind of in the thickest part of the breast here, and I'll be able to see that right through the oven window, so that'll let me know about when it's done. You want to cook chicken breast to about 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This 10-inch cast iron skillet fits perfectly in this oven, but you can use the oven tray if you want. So I put the baking rack down at the bottom, and we'll get that in there. And I'm going to set this to air roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm setting the oven for 35 minutes, the time right now, but I'm just going to keep an eye on the temperature and pull it out when it's about 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. This cooked for 38 minutes and the temperature is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So I shut the oven off and I'm going to get that out of there. This has been sitting on the plate resting for 10 or 15 minutes, and the internal temperature is 165 degrees now, so climbed about 5 degrees after I pulled it out of the oven. So we'll get that out of there. I can get it out and then we'll try it out. There's a fair amount of juice on the plate. Let's cut into this and see what the inside looks like. Oh yeah, actually that looks nice and juicy. Cut a little piece that has some skin on it, so let's try that out. That's really good. Crispy skin and juicy meat. Turned out better than the one I cooked last night. Want to try it, Annie? See what Annie thinks here. There you go. I guess that's Annie approved. I'm not sure exactly what the difference between air fry and air roast is, but air roast seems to work better on bigger pieces of meat like that, and air fry seems to work better on smaller things like wings. I think air fry makes things a little bit crispier. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.